Are you tired of feeling stuck financially and want to find a way to earn extra income without leaving your home? What if I told you there is a simple method to turn your everyday activities into cash? Intrigued? Stick around because in just a few minutes I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money today. Earning money using the concept of a kick or a strong call to action involves effectively motivating your audience to take actions that can generate revenue for you. Here are several ways to incorporate a kick to earn money, especially in the context of online content creation, marketing, and sales. So first of all you have to do is dive into Kick Affiliate program. So this is the home page. As you can see, here we have how to become a Kick Affiliate and enable subscriptions. So all I have to do is read this information. Let's read it together. First, we have here affiliates are Kick content creators who have streamed for more than 5 hours and have 75 or more followers. Once you are an affiliate, you can set up your sub button and start receiving revenue from paid subscriptions. You can check the progress of your affiliate status by log in into your Kick account and heading over to your achievement. Here we have the link. All you have to do is click over this link to go in Kick.com. So this is the homepage of Kick. As you can see, here we have videos of people that use what you love and start earning money with it. So as you can see, we have here, this is my account. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do, we have here a button sign up and we have a button of login. So if you have an account, all you have to do is click over login. If you want to sign up and start earning money, is click over sign up. Then if you write your information, your personal information, like email, your username and your password and your link, then all I have to do is start earning money. So how we can start making money with Kick? So first of all, I will give you some examples how you can earn money with Kick. Then I will give you some tips for an effective Kick, and also I will give you benefits of Kick affiliate program. So first of all, we have here some examples how you can use Kick to earn money. First of all, we have affiliate marketing. For example, you can promote products or services and include a unique affiliate link. When viewers purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Then we have product sales. You can sell physical or digital products such as merchandise, ebooks, courses, or exclusive content to kick prompt viewers to make a purchase. Also, we have sponsored content. Partner with brands and promote their products or services to kick encourage viewers to engage with the sponsor, often leading to sales or sign up. Moreover, we have donations and crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, or direct PayPal donations allow viewers to financially support creators to encourage contributions by highlighting the benefits or gratitude. Furthermore, we have ad revenue. On platforms like YouTube, you can earn money through ad revenue. To can remind viewers that watching ads helps support your content. Then we have subscription and membership. Offer exclusive content or perks for paid subscribers or members. To Kick highlights the benefits of subscribing or joining. Also, we have online courses. Charge a fee for access to webinars, workshops, or courses. The Kick prompt viewers to sign up or register. The last one we have live streams and super chats. So that's very important. You can just during live streams, viewers can donate through platforms like YouTube's super chat, where their messages are highlighted. So this is it for some examples how you can use Kick as an application or a website to earn money. Then I will give you some tips for an effective Kick. So first of all, you have to be clear and direct. Clearly state what action you want your audience to take. Then also you can create your urgency, use phrases like limited time, exclusive offers, or act now to encourage immediate actions. Also, you can use highlight benefits, explain what's in it for audience, whether it's a discount, exclusive content, or supporting a cause. And finally, you have to be genuine. Authenticity resonates with audiences, so be sincere in your apples. So this is it how you can use Kick. And I will give you right now some benefits of this website kick.com. So first of all, we have flexibility. Many platforms offer the ability to set your own hours and work from anywhere, which can be ideal for balancing work with other commitments. Also, we have diverse income streams. By leveraging a platform like Cake, you can diversify your sources of income, reducing reliance on a single job or business venture. Moreover, we have low bar to entry. Depending on the platform, starting might require minimal upfront investment compared to traditional businesses. Also, we have community and networking. You often have the opportunity to connect with a community of like-minded individuals, which can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and support. Furthermore, we have skill development. Working on such platforms can help you develop valuable skills in areas like digital marketing, content creation, and online engagement. And we have scalability. Depending on your approach, there might be opportunities to scale your earnings by expanding your reach or diversifying your offerings. Also, we have potential for passive income. In some cases, you might be able to create content or set up systems that generate passive income over time. And finally, we have global reach. Many platforms provide access to a global audience, which can help you grow your presence and revenue beyond local markets. And here in the homepage, we have other options like we have browse, also we have following, and we have here community guidelines, DMCA policy, privacy policy, terms of services, help and support. We have also here channel, as you can see. We have here also create dashboard, and you can just start chat here and ask about whatever you want. And also we have other things like subscriptions, settings, and logout. So earning money on platforms like Cake offers flexibility, diverse income streams, and opportunities for skill development. It typically has a low barrier to entry and can provide access to a global audience. This approach can be advantageous for balancing work with other commitments and potentially scaling your earnings over time. However, success often depends on the effort you put in and how well you leverage the platform's features and opportunities. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.